Dear students, in this session we are going to continue solving previous year problems. If a straight line passing through the point passing through a point P of minus 3 comma 4 is such that its intercepted portion between the coordinate axis is bisected at B at P, then its equation is four x plus 3y equals 0. Four x minus 3y plus 24 equals 0. Three x minus 4y plus 25 equals 0. X minus y plus 7 equal to 0. So minus 3 comma 4 is the point intersect the portion between the coordinate axis is bisected at P, that is the midpoint of A and B. So P minus 3 comma 4, therefore line lies on the x axis, second quadrant. Line, this point lie on the second quadrant. So x by A, y by B equal to 1. A comma 0, this is 0 comma B. This intercept A, this is B. A plus 0 by 2 comma 0 plus B by 2 equal to minus 3 comma 4. A by 2 equal to minus 3, B by 2 equal to 4, A equal to minus 6, B equal to 8. The required equation is x by A, x by minus 6, y by 8 equal to 1. So minus 48 or multiplied by xy minus 6 into 24 plus y by 8 into 24 equal to 24 minus 4x plus 3y equal to 24. Minus 4x plus 3y minus 24 equals 0. So 4x minus 3y plus 24 equal to 0. So option B is correct. Next one, the point on the straight line point on the straight line 3x plus 5y equal to 15 which is equidistant from the coordinate axis will lie only in first, second and fourth quadrants. First and second quadrants. Fourth quadrant. First quadrant. Three x plus 5y equal to 5. Put x equal to, which implies 5y equal to 15 minus 3t. Y equal to 15 minus 3t by 5, x value t, y value 15 minus 3t by 5. The point is equal distance from the axis. That means, so t comma 15 minus 3t by 5 is any point on the line 3x plus 5 equal to 15. The point is equal distance from the axis. Distance from x y value, that is modulus of 15 minus 3t by 5 should be equal to distance from y axis, that is x value, that is modulus of t. So 15 minus 3t by 5 equal to t. 15 minus 3t equal to 5t. 15 minus 3t by 5 equal to, you take minus t. When you remove modulus, you take minus t. So 15 minus 3t equal to minus 5t. 15 equal to 80. 15 equal to minus 2t. T equal to 15 by 8. T equal to minus 15 by 2. Therefore, point P lies in first if E is positive, T is positive, first quadrant, T is negative, it will be like in the second quadrant. So option B is correct. Let 0, 0 and A of 0, 1 be two fixed points. Then the locus of your point P locus of your point P such that the perimeter of triangle OAP, triangle AOP equal to 4 units is option A 9x squared plus 8y squared minus 8y equal to 16. Eight x squared plus 9y squared plus 9y equal to 18. Eight x squared minus 9y squared plus 9y equal to 18. Nine x squared minus 8y squared plus 8y equal to 16. Zero comma 1, this is point. P be any point H comma K. This point is A, this is O. 0 comma 0. Let P be H comma K. Perimeter of triangle UOP equal to 4. OA plus AP plus OP equal to 4. OA, that is distance is 1 plus AP root of H square plus 1 minus whole square plus OP root of H square plus K squared equal to 4. Root of H squared plus K squared minus 2K plus 1 equal to 3 minus root of H square plus K squared. On squaring both sides, H square plus K squared minus 2K plus 1 equal to 3 minus root of H square plus K squared the whole square. H squared plus K squared minus 2K plus 9 plus H square plus K square minus 6 into root of H square plus K square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. H square cancel, K square actually cancelled. Minus 2K plus 1 minus 9 equal to minus 6 root of h square plus k square minus 2k minus 8 equal to minus 6 into root of h square plus k square divided by minus 2, that is k plus 4 equal to 3 into root of h square plus k square. Again squaring, k plus 4 whole square equal to 9 into h square plus k square. 16, so k square plus 16, 8k equal to 9 h square plus 9k square. Nine h square plus 9k square minus k square minus 8k plus 16 equal to 0. 9 h square plus 8k square minus 8k plus 16 equal to 0. Locus of P of h comma k is h and k should be replaced by x and y. 9x square plus 8y square minus 8y plus 16 equal to 0. So option A is correct. So next one, suppose that the points h comma k one comma 2 and minus 3 comma 4 and minus 3 comma 4 lie on the line L1. L1 if a line L2 passing through the points L2 passing through the points h comma k and 4 comma 3 is perpendicular to L1 then k by h equals 1/3 B equal to 0, C equal to 3, D equal to minus 1/7. H, K 1, 2 minus 3, 4 lies on L1. Equation of the line passing through 1, 2 and minus 3, 4 is y minus yn by y2 minus yn equal to x minus xn by x2 minus xn, y minus 2 by 4 minus 2, x minus 1 by minus 3 minus 1, y minus 2 by 2 equal to x minus 1 by minus 4, y minus by 2, y minus 2 equal to 4 x minus 1 by minus 4 into 2. So 2y minus 4 equal to minus x plus 1, x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So L1 is x plus 2y minus 5 equal 0. Slope of L1 is minus 1 by 2. Line joining L2 passes through h comma k and and 4/3. So L1 perpendicular to L2. Which implies slope of L2 is 2. Equation of L2 is y minus y1 slope 2 into x minus x1. So y minus 3 equal to 2x minus 8. 2x minus y minus 5 equals 0. So L2 is 2x minus y minus 5 equals 0. So L2 passes h comma k, L1 passes through all these 3 points. So h comma k is the common point in both the equations. The point of should represent h comma k. So x 2x plus 4y minus 10 equals 0, 2x minus y minus 5 equals 0. Five y minus 5 equals 0. Y equal to 1. X plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. X plus 2 minus 5 equals 0. X equal to 3. So x comma y equal to 3 comma 1. That is h comma k equal to 3 comma 1. K by h, that is 1/3. So option A is correct. Next, slope of line passing through 2 comma 3 2 On intersecting the line, x plus y equal to 7. At a distance of 4 units, from P is one minus root 5, 1 plus root 5, root 7 minus 1 by root 7 plus 1, root 5 minus 1 by root 5 plus 1, one minus root 7 by 1 plus root 7. So x plus y equal to 7. This is x plus y equal to 7. Thus this point 7 comma 0. This point 0 comma 7. So 2 comma 3. This point 2 comma 3, so theta, this is 90 degree. Let it be R. This point may be x comma y. So x should be x equal to 2 plus this value, 2 plus r cos theta. This is cos theta or cos theta. This is r sin theta. So x equal to plus r cos theta, y equal to 3 plus r sin theta. So this distance is 2 plus r cos theta, 3 plus this is r sin theta. So x plus y equal to 7. 2 plus r cos theta plus 3 plus r sin theta equal to 7. R into cos theta plus sin theta equal to 3 plus 2 5. 7 minus 5 2. So sin theta plus cos theta equal to 2 by r. So distance from two comma 3 to x plus y minus 7 equal 0 is modulus of 2 plus 3 minus 7 by root of 1 plus 1. No need. They have given r equal to 4. Distance from this point to the line is 4 units. 2 by plus or minus 4. R units from P. P above lies above means 4 units. Suppose R lie this means minus 4. So plus or minus 4. Plus or minus 1 by 2. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to 1 by 4. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 1 by 4. Sin 2 theta equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 3 by 4. Two tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta equal to minus 3 by 4. Sin 2 theta is equal to tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, which means 2m by 1 plus m squared equal to minus 3 4. M is the slope of the required line. So 8m minus 3 minus 3m squared. 3m squared plus 8m plus 3 equal to 0. M equal to minus b plus or minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4 AC by 2a, 2 into 3 minus 8 plus or minus 64 minus 36 by 6 minus 8 plus or minus 28 by 6. M equal to, we take 2 in common, minus 4 plus or minus minus 8 plus or minus 2 into root 7 by 6. 28 can be written as 4 into 7. Minus 4 plus or minus root 7 by 3. So consider among the 4 options we have to check which one is correct. I take 1 minus root 7 by 1 plus root 7. 1 minus root 7 by 1 plus root 7 into 1 minus root 7 by 1 minus root 7. 1 minus root 7 whole square by 1 minus 7. 1 plus 7 minus 2 root 7 by minus 6. 8 minus 2 root 7 by minus 6. 4 minus root 7 by minus 3. Minus 4 plus root 7 by 3. So this answer is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root 7. So minus 4 plus root 7, that means minus 4 plus root 7 by 3 minus 4 minus root 7 by 3. This one satisfies. So option D is correct. If the two lines x plus a minus 1 into y equal to 1, two x plus a squared y equal to 1, a belongs to r minus 0, 1. or minus 0 comma 1 or perpendicular then the distance of their point of intersection from the origin is option A 2 by 3, option B root 2 by 5, two by root 5, two by root 5. So x plus a minus 1 into y equal to 1. Two x plus a squared y equal to 1. Slope of 1 is m1 equal to minus 1 by a minus 1. Slope of 2 is mt equal to minus 2 by a squared. One and two are perpendicular, therefore m1 mt equal to minus 1. Minus 1 by a minus 1 into minus 2 by a squared equal to minus 1. 2 by a cubed minus a squared equal to minus 1. Minus a cubed plus a squared. So a cubed minus a squared plus 2 equal to 0. A cubed minus a squared plus 2 equal to 0. A cubed minus 2a squared plus a squared minus 2a plus 2a minus 2 equal to 0. I make adjustment. A square into a minus 2 plus a into a minus 2 we can write as a squared minus 2a squared. A squared into a plus 1 minus 2a into a plus 1 2 into a plus 1 equal to 0. If you take a plus 1 common, a squared minus 2a plus 2 equal to 0. So a squared 2a plus 2 equal 0. Does not belongs to r minus 0 comma 1. Therefore a plus 1 equal 0, a equal to minus 1. Therefore a equal to minus 1 implies one is minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, x minus 2y equal to 1. 2 is 2x plus y equal to 1. Two x minus 4y equal to 2. 2x plus y equal, you have to solve this one. Y equal to minus 1 by 5. X minus 2y equal to 1. X minus 2 into minus 1 by 5 equal to 1. X equal to 1 minus 2 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. Point of intersection of 1 and 2 is 3 by 5 comma minus 1 by 5. So distance between 0 comma 0 and 3 by 5 comma minus 1 by 5 is that is 9 by 25 plus 1 by 25, 10 by 25, root of 2 by 5. So option D is correct. So all sums discussed in this session were asked in previous year JEE examinations. Thank you.